Hello, students. Here, let's fix some errors. First, we jump when you write. It is to be W capital and the J capital. So we jump and without space. Let me write again. We without space J capital jump. Zoo like this. You can write. And then when you have a table starting from say A, then you can go to left. And then make it bold. And sometimes you make a mistake of keeping blank rows like this, but there shouldn't be blank rows. So that has to be removed. So click, right click, insert means it will insert new row, but here you need to delete it. So how will you delete this one? Yeah, select, right click, insert or delete. Yes, delete. And some of you have a habit of keeping the blank column like this. I think it is because of the some letters going beyond the line here. So you think here you should not type anything. Instead, there should be a gap and then enter here like this. But that's not correct. Yeah. When you work on Excel, then there shouldn't be any blank column. I understand that some letters are going beyond the line. It doesn't mean that this say N and T is written here. Now you can see nothing there. It's a blank cell. Your original count, which is in C3, only the last two letters are flowing to the next. It looks like that, but actually this cell is blank, which means you can directly write edit count over here, right? Instead of writing here. Same, T is not written here, it is a blank. Edit count is in E3. So you can safely write the total count like this. Let me show you once again over here. This should be name, not animal. Sorry, name. Yeah, so their names and their category is zoo. So let me write here. If you have written name, category, and original count, yeah, now here UNT, yeah, crossing over the line, but yeah, safely you can write over here, edit, count, still NNT, it's okay. Yeah, over here, total count. Yeah, so do not keep any blank column in between. Yeah, you should not do that. If you have a put, how can you delete? Select, right click, which one? Insert or delete? Yeah, delete. This also, select, right click, delete. So this way, this also has to be rearranged. Select, right click, delete. Select, right click, delete. Yeah. As I said, if you had inserted any blank row, that also has to be removed. Select, right click, delete. Yeah. And then the header, you can make it bold. And then of course, you cannot see the letters going beyond once some other header comes the next. In that case, you can double click between C and D, put the cursor there, double click here, C and D, double click, then you can see all the letters. Double click. Yeah. That's how you can see. Let me again make it, yeah, narrow, and then see how you can widen it. So between C and D, what should I do? Yeah, double click. Between D and E, right, double click. E and F, double click. Yeah. Next is header. Header should have all the letters in head should have a capital letter at the beginning for each word. Yeah, so which means this C also should be capital. Again, double click. Here, which one to be capital letters? Yeah, A and C. A and C. Here, T is already in capital. So, which are the letter to be capital? Right, C. Mm. So remember, all the words in header should be the first letter to be capital. And over here, you can type to, yeah, and again make it bold. And then here also you need sum. So sum, and then select all, enter. Yeah. You can do the same or copy and paste. You can do this or yeah, Control C, Control V. And then the last total count, you can make it bold. Select, and here is bold. Home is bold. Yeah, make it bold. Or name also you can make it bold. Select which one? Yeah, V, bold. And the name also is should start with the capital letter. So L should be like this. Which one? Yeah, right, P. And then here, W. Double click and then F. Double click and then open capital. Again, double click to go inside the cell. And P. Double click. Okay, like this. It is okay. Tiger in small letter, okay. But if you want, you can change. Again, the hidden characters, how can you show? Right here, double click, right. And another is a category. Actually, all these are animals. You cannot say animal in the bird, animal. No, all these are animals. In that case, you need to write the next category. Yeah. So monkey is a mammal. M-A-M-M-A. Yeah. Sparrow, yes. Bird, lion, mammal. So on the land, all the land animals, mammal, the with the four legs. Mm. And then the white tiger, tortoise is a reptile. Fox, mammal, woodpecker. Oh, sorry, bird, bird. Yeah, like this. Okay, and of course you know how to write some like this, and then drag it down, or you can do if not some then this plus this also will work. And again click and drag it down here, right, right bottom small dot. Yeah. Okay, and then some of you try to make a data table. What you did was select anywhere in the table or select like this. Okay. But I recommend select anywhere in the table, provided you don't have a blank columns or blank rows, so all connected. Then you can go to insert and click table. So once that is clicked, insert table is clicked, this should be checked because my table has a headers. Yeah, I have headers. Click, and this one should be then white color. Otherwise, you cannot read it. Then again, you can select and double click. You can see all the headers. But what if um, when you create insert table here, insert and table, or the shortcut key is a Control T. So let me click Control T. At that time, if you don't check it, so my table has headers, but you said you unchecked, then it will create its own header. Look at it. This name to total count is the header, but it will create new header. Yeah, here, column 1 to column 5, which is not correct. This should not happen. This should be the header, not this one. So let me go back. So when you create a table, insert in this one, or Control T, you must check this one. My table has headers. And if it's so dark, then the right click and then make it white. And double click. This way you can arrange your data table. Thank you.